With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here the question is calculate the weight of sodium oxalate present in 250 ml of a semi-normal solution. Okay, so first we have to know the formula of sodium oxalate. Okay, so sodium oxalate has the formula Na2C2O4. So first we have to calculate the molar mass. So what will be the molar mass? So 2 into 23 for sodium plus 2 into 12 for carbon and 4 into 16 for oxygen. That comes 372. Okay, so now it is said that semi-normal solution. So we have to calculate the normality, and hence we have to calculate the equivalent mass of sodium oxalate. So what will be the equivalent mass? So equivalent mass, we know equivalent mass has the formula molar mass by n factor. Now we have sodium oxalate, so number of cation here is 2 and the cation has valency 1. So what will be the n factor? So we can write in this case n factor will be equal to 2. So equivalent mass will be 372 by 2, that is 186. Okay, now to calculate the weight of sodium oxalate. Okay, so let the weight or mass of sodium oxalate be W gram. So what is the number of equivalent? So we can write number of equivalents. So what is the formula of number of equivalents? That is the given mass by the equivalent mass. So that is W by 186. So this is the number of equivalents. Now what is normality? So normality, we know normality is the number of equivalents of solute dissolved per 1000 ml of solution. So number of equivalents here, that is W by 186, and volume of solution is given 250 ml. So into 250, now here we have to multiply this with 1000. So now this is the normality. Now according to question, the normality is semi-normal, that means 1 by 100. So according to question, this one, that is W into 1000 by 186 into 250, that is semi-normal, that means normality will be 1 upon 100. So what you can do here, that it will come with 4. So given mass W will become 186 divided by 100 into 4. So the result will be 0.465. 0.465 gram. So the question asks that what will calculate the mass of sodium oxalate. So the mass of sodium oxalate will be 0.465 gram. So hope this answered the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.